Power systems are evolving as smart grids continue to advance. The demand for safer, smarter, and more efficient power distribution is growing. For over 14 years, Shenheng has focused on innovation and intelligent manufacturing. From traditional manufacturing to Smart Factory 4.0, technology drives every stage of our production. Today, with a modern production base of 70,000 square meters and a team of more than 300 professionals, Shenheng has become a leading supplier of power transmission and distribution equipment, generating annual sales exceeding RMB 500 million. Quality begins with rigorous testing, lightning impulse testing, withstand voltage testing, partial discharge testing, temperature rise testing. Every product stands up to rigorous testing. Driven by continuous innovation, Shenheng has obtained more than 60 utility model patents and over 30 invention patents, and has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and a national specialized and sophisticated little giant enterprise. We have high-voltage switchgear, low-voltage switchgear transformers, package substations and cable branch boxes, PV AC-DC combiner boxes, indoor and outdoor high-voltage circuit breakers, instrument transformers. All products can be customized to meet the needs of modern power infrastructure projects. Intelligent manufacturing is at the heart of our operation, featuring automated busbar production, flexible sheet metal manufacturing, automated transformer production, automated ring main unit production, automated circuit breaker production, intelligent wire harness processing, NEEs, based process management, digital quality control, efficient and sustainable manufacture. From production to testing, every process is fully controlled. Intelligent warehousing and efficient coordination support a modern smart manufacturing system. Today, Shenheng serves major power utilities across China while exporting products to customers around the world. Guided by professionalism, precision, and efficiency, we continue to invest in technology, talent, and innovation. Shenheng is committed to advancing green energy, improving power reliability, and creating long-term value for customers worldwide. Shenheng, empowering a new world of green power.